In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mobile font size in Squarespace 2025 update. We'll start inside your site, review the built-in font settings, and then fine-tune mobile sizes with a quick CSS adjustment so your text is crisp, readable, and consistent across your pages. First, open your website and enter the page editor by clicking Edit. This puts you in the visual editing mode so you can see changes live. Next, open your site styles. In most layouts, you'll find this from the Design panel or via the On-Page Style controls. Head to Fonts, then choose All Font Packs. This is where Squarespace manages the global typography system for your headings and paragraphs. In the Preview panel, click through the paragraph example and each heading sample to see how your fonts are defined. Tapping each heading preview reveals the scale and weight applied across your site. Do this for your main heading, subheadings, and body copy so you understand your base sizes and the hierarchy they create on smaller screens. Remember, these pack-level controls affect your entire site, so keep an eye on how dense your text feels on mobile and how long headlines wrap. If needed, adjust the pack settings while you're here. When you're satisfied with the base setup, click Save, then exit to return to the main editor. Now let's dial in the exact mobile sizes. Open your Custom CSS area from the left panel. In Squarespace, this is where you can add a small, targeted rule that only applies on phones. In the editor, create a mobile-only block using a standard media query and set your font sizes for the key elements. As a clear starting point for readability, size your primary headline to around 32px so it stands out, your main subheading to about 30px to keep a strong hierarchy, any large callout or label text near 25px for emphasis without overpowering, and your body paragraph text at a comfortable 16px for easy scanning. Enter those values, then review the live preview to confirm that lines aren't breaking awkwardly and that spacing still feels balanced. If something looks tight, slightly reduce a heading by a couple of pixels. If a paragraph feels small, nudge it up. The goal is contrast without clutter. When everything looks right, click. Save in the CSS editor to apply your changes across the site. That's it. You reviewed your font pack to understand the baseline, then applied precise mobile sizes with a quick CSS tweak. Check a few pages to confirm consistency, and you're good to go.